Upgrade your outdoor grilling game with the Rowow foldable wood fire grill stand for Ninja OG 701. Crafted from durable powder-coated steel, it features a custom groove for the Ninja wood fire grill, a foldable side table with hooks and easy-to-move solid wheels. Perfect for camping, tailgating, or backyard barbecues. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Upgrade your outdoor cooking with the PAR Grill. Outdoor grill dining cart featuring a massive stainless steel surface measuring 118 centimeters by 50 centimeters, a foldable side extension and adjustable shelves. It offers unbeatable space and flexibility. 4 swivel wheels with brakes make it easy to move and lock into place. Perfect for any backyard barbecue or indoor party. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Transform your outdoor cooking with the Delonda Barbecue Plancha Trolley. At a perfect height for easy grilling, it fits Delonda plancha grills and pizza ovens and easily moves around on 2 wheels. With stylish black steel baskets and hooks for utensils, plus room for a 13-kilogram gas cylinder, it's your ultimate BBQ sidekick. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Get ready to elevate your outdoor grilling with the GF Time collapsible grill stand, perfectly compatible with Ninja OG 701, Traeger Ranger, Pit Boss, and Blackstone 22-inch griddles. This sturdy cart features a spacious side shelf, hooks for all your tools, and smooth all-weather wheels for easy transport. Its foldable legs make storage a breeze, ideal for camping, tailgating, or backyard BBQs. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Upgrade your grilling game with the OnlyFire BBQ Trolley food prep table. This stainless steel 3-layer work table features a spacious oversized countertop measuring 47.2 inches by 21 inches, along with side shelves, utensil holders, seasoning boxes, and a tissue rack. Everything you need for grilling perfection. Easy to assemble, move, and clean. With sturdy wheels and a black coated steel pipe support, it can hold up to 40 kilograms, perfect for outdoor parties, backyard barbecues, or indoor cookouts, your ultimate grilling companion. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Meet the Union Line foldable stainless pizza oven table, your perfect outdoor cooking companion, with a spacious opening of 71 centimeters long, 47 centimeters wide, and 84 centimeters high, plus 3 sturdy shelves, each holding 30 kilograms. It's ideal for pizza ovens, grills, and more. Its sleek, rust-resistant stainless steel design is portable on 4 wheels, 2 of which lock for stability. When not in use, it folds down to just 47 centimeters long, 11.4 centimeters wide, and 91 centimeters high, perfect for saving space. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Upgrade your outdoor cooking with the GF Time 56.3 by 14.6 by 35-inch grill cart, perfect for all your grilling needs. Featuring a spacious prep surface, foldable side table, durable powder-coated steel construction, and versatile storage options, including shelves, hooks, and a cabinet, plus wheels for easy mobility. It's your ultimate outdoor kitchen. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment.